Hello students, welcome to standard 10th geometry class. In our revision series, today we are going to do the revision of same chapter 7 coordinate geometry part 2. Right? So before starting our revision, let us brush up something which we have learned in our 9th standard. So some very important points. So what we have seen in 9th standard, that two mutually perpendicular lines divide the plane in four parts. Each part is known as quadrant, and then we number them in anti-clockwise direction as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Right? That horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line we call it as y-axis. Also we have seen the different signs in different quadrants. For example, in first quadrant both x coordinate and y coordinate positive. In second quadrant x negative, y positive. In third quadrant both negative, and in fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. Right? And the point where these two lines meet each other is denoted by letter O. Right? Now let us see some more important points. So point number 1, the point where two axes meet is called origin. And what are the coordinates of origin? 0, 0. So when we denote any point on this plane, we require two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, and we write them in a round bracket which we call it as so two numbers written in round bracket are called ordered pair. Now the second point, the other name of x coordinate is abscissa. Third important point, the other name of y coordinate is ordinate. And the plane is known as Cartesian plane. Children, if I take 2 points on x-axis, suppose both the points they lie on x-axis. Suppose one point is here and another point is say to the left hand side. So how we find the distance between these 2 points? By taking larger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Right? So this we have seen in 9th standard. Now if the points lie on the plane, means other than the axis, then how to find the distance? So for that we have learned distance formula. If two points P having coordinates x1, y1, Q, x2, y2, then the distance PQ is given by square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, and the distance of any point from the origin is given by square root of x square plus y square. Now we'll see some MCQ type question based on this distance formula. So question number 1, the end points of diameter of a circle are A 3, 4 and B minus 3, minus 4. The radius of the circle is. Children, just by observing this sum, can you guess its answer? No, it's not possible. So you need some calculation for this. So I want you to be ready with your pen and paper and try to solve along with me. Okay. So A and B are the end points of the diameter. So what we will do? By using distance formula, first we will find out length AB, and because it's a diameter, so radius is half of the diameter, so we'll divide it by 2 and we'll get the answer. So let us do that. So here it is, AB calculated by using distance formula. that is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Consider one coordinates as x1 y1 and the coordinates of b as x2 y2. Substitute, so you will get length AB 10. AB being a diameter, radius is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5 units. Now next question. The perimeter of triangle with vertices A 0, 4, B 0, 0 and C 3, 0 is. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three sides of a triangle. So to calculate this perimeter, you should know the lengths of all three sides, right? So one by one we will calculate all three lengths and then we'll add them. So let us do that. So first of all, AB, again by distance formula you calculate AB. So AB length is 4, BC length is 3 and AC length is 5. So therefore perimeter is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 12 units. So what is the correct answer? Correct option, the perimeter of the triangle is 12 units. Okay. Next question. The points P minus 4, 0, Q 4, 0 and R 0, 3 are the vertices of a right triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle. Right? Means P, Q, R, they form a triangle. But we have to guess its type. What type of triangle these 3 points form. So for that we should know their lengths, then only we can identify. So again find out length PQ, length QR and length PR, and then we can compare and guess the correct answer. So let us find out length PQ. PQ, apply distance formula. So PQ length you will get as 8 unit, right? Then you find out QR. QR you will get by 5 unit. PR again by distance formula 5 unit. So when you will compare these three lengths, you will find QR is equal to PR. That means two sides are equal. So therefore the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So the option B is the correct option. Okay, B, isosceles triangle is the correct option. Now next, the points A 1, 2, B 5, 4, C 3, 8 and D minus 1, 6 are the vertices of here 4 vertices given. Okay, so we have to identify what type of quadrilateral they form. So again you should know all the 4 lengths as well as lengths of their diagonals. So find out. So here find AB, distance by distance formula you find length AB which is equal to root 20 units. BC is also root 20 units. CD is again root 20 units. AD root 20 units. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the 4 sides are equal. Now let us check their diagonals. So when you calculate AC, so AC length is square root of 40 and second diagonal is BD. BD length is root 40. So all 4 sides equal and both the diagonals are equal. That means the quadrilateral is a square. So what is the correct option? Correct option is option B. Okay, so children, these are the MCQ type question based on distance formula. So we'll see some more examples, okay, in our next